This is where the main body seems to be. The magnetometer is spiking right here.
That matches the visual assessment of the turret location.
We're finally exposing the base of the cannon.
Be very careful with the roots wrapped around the turret.
We've got the serial number coming clear now. It matches the T41 designation. Confirmed. Logging the coordinates. All right, lower the bucket slowly. Watch the straps on the left side. Keep cutting those roots back. The tracks are finally visible under all this mud. There she comes.
Yes.
Incredible, look at that.
We did it!
All right, tension up on the main hook. Tension coming up. Watch the rigging. Hold it steady. Watch the matting on your left. It's shifting slightly. Copy that. Adjusting the hose now. All right, Dave, take it down easy. We're clear on this side. Steady, steady, and stop. All clear from my end. Proceed with tensioning. Lift slowly on my command. Tension secure on my side. Clear to lift. Lifting now, stand by. All right, start the wash. Let's get this heavy rust off the turret. Copy that. Bringing the pressure up now. Check this section here, looks unstable. Keep it steady there, we're making progress. All right, moving to the tracks now.
Keep focused on the seams. The buildup is heaviest there.
All right, this patch near the viewport is almost clear. Keep hitting those road wheels, B. Yeah, pressure's good now. Almost got it. Watch the rust, don't blast the good metal. Got it. Switching to air for the tight spots. All right, careful with that. Okay. Okay. Look at the state of this inside. Yeah, it's pretty rough. Check over there. The measurements here are way off. It's bad. Look at this pitting. Yeah, log that. Get some pictures. Check the reference on the tablet. All right, it's loose. Okay. Carefully now, don't bend it. Place it on the table here. Got it. Now for the cable.
The barrel condition aligns with the damage here.
Yeah.
We need to start with the gear housings, this section first.
All right, let's begin with these components then.
Turrets coming up, slow and steady.
Clear on the right.
Check the rotation, looking good.
Turret's off. Let's get that stand in. All right, lowering it now. Careful. Looking good. Check out the ring. It's completely exposed. Hold it there. Okay, lowering. Just a bit more to the left. Got it. Got it. Slow and steady. Looks good. Now, down. The suspension mounts are ready for new components. When can we start reassembly? By the end of the week, if the new parts arrive as planned.
The seam looks good there.
Keep the heat steady.
Needs a final polish.
This piston housing looks good. What about the fuel injection lines? We need to replace them before reassembly.
Turret is moving, steady on the lines. Just a few more centimeters, watch the alignment. Contact, turret is down.
Secure the rear track bolts. Adjust the tension on the road wheel. Verified. Looks mechanically complete.
She runs! Look at her go! Driver, advance slowly. Keep it steady, watch the left track.